Don't you send this to Daniel now. Oh, no, I'll take the seat.
Oh my goodness gracious. There you go. I'm gonna get something to hold that thing, man. With the ground rods finally installed, the camper service is up. We're ready for electricity. I also had them put me a night light up. They had to bury the cable around 3 feet or so under the ground. It was almost 2,000 feet of wire. Now that the underground wire is installed, the camper's set up, it won't be long. We're getting ready to start building. Also, we got the grill set up, so time for some serious business. Follow us along on TikTok also. Just scan the QR code.